Vertical blinds from Hunter Douglas are made of soft fabrics, genuine hardwoods, textured vinyl or aluminum, and can cover anything from your sliding glass doors to bay windows. For easy operation, select the chain and cord system. Pull the chain to rotate the vanes, and pull the cord to traverse the blinds. Hunter Douglas vertical blinds come with center or side openings, shown here with our PermaTilt wand control system that uses a wand to both traverse and rotate the vanes. Or choose our PermaSure safety wand that has no pull cords for enhanced child and pet safety. And for convenience and effortless operation, try our motorized system. From windows and doors to arches and angles, Hunter Douglas vertical blinds have you covered.